Hi, I'm Woody from Woody's Private Swim Instruction. Today's video is going to be about freestyle, and it's going to be about your recovery arm and your rotation in freestyle and how the recovery arm should lead you into your rotation. We're going to look at one of our clients and a couple problems that she has with that and how we fixed it. Hopefully some of these tips will be helpful to you as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we're going to look at my client's stroke. We've slowed this down a little bit. She's swimming freestyle. I want you to pay close attention to her arm as it comes back and out of the water. I'm gonna run that one more time. A little bit slower this time. She sort of does what we like to call a two-hand lift. And when you can do it with a one-hand lift, it's always better. We don't want to lift from our wrist, and that's sort of what she's doing. You're going to see right here, she's lifting from her wrist, and then her forearm is moving, but her back part of her arm is staying sort of steady. It's still staying sort of in that same position. She's still lifting up from her wrist rather than her elbow, and her full arm is what we want to do. And she gets sort of what we like to do is that little crane look. Part of what's happening here is she's trying to put her hand deep enough in the water, but she's thinking too much about that. If you think about just your lift and your swing into where you want your hand to finish, that usually helps you not process as slowly. So just think about your lift and where you want to put it, and then as your arm enters the water, allow your body weight to shift over and lay on that arm that just recovered. Here we're working on just trying to have a longer arm and having it do it all together in one piece versus breaking it into two pieces, which is that wrist lift and then the arm coming forward. Just one nice long sweeping arm back into the water. She also, with that little two-arm lift, a lot of times didn't rotate like she should. So this is the red indicates her hand coming into the water, which is coming in higher than her hand that was in there. So we sort of want to come in a little earlier and get down there. That will allow that rotation to happen. If you come in high, what happens is you stay very flat and you don't get that natural rotation you want. And it's a little bit slow. Know where you're going, get there. There you go. A little bit better. And here she is after she's worked on it for a little bit, looking really nice. Super smooth. We're going to work on her timing still for her breath, but getting that arm and body rotation working properly will really help us get that timing for that breath.